You know, chicken cacciatore is one of those dishes or a recipe, I might say, that everybody makes it different. I'm talking about my wife makes it different, my mom makes it different, my mother-in-law literally makes it different, the lady down the block makes it different. Everybody makes it different. It's one of those dishes, one of those recipes that everybody loves creating differently. Most people, they use potatoes, they like baking it, they put it in the oven. Some people don't even use chicken. In Italy, they use rabbit and quail, and it's really good, you know. But here, we're in America, so, and my family just loves chicken, so we're making chicken cacciatore, and so we'll be right back. Don't miss this. Okay, welcome back. First thing we do, we're gonna cut up this beautiful chicken over here. I was looking for a smaller chicken, but I couldn't find a smaller chicken, so I went up getting this one. This is about 4 pounds, and this is how I do it. What I do is take off the backbone first. It's kind of big, and of course this scissor doesn't really cut that good, but it's gonna have to do. Let's try it with a knife. Of course, you could use this for chicken soup later on, the legs. Okay. And the wings. The rest. Got big thighs here. Since it's so big, we're going to cut the chicken breast maybe in 3 pieces. Okay, thigh will cut in half too. Making a lot of noise today, huh? We're waking up the whole neighborhood! Oh, by the way, welcome to Fazool. Alright, so it's pretty small. We'll cut this one as well. Meanwhile, we'll start heating up some oil, some olive oil. Okay. Alright, turn this on. Start cutting some onions. You know, most people I've seen cook the chicken cacciatore, they use potatoes, garlic, rosemary. I don't do that. I like doing it just a little bit different. I just like to keep it simple, you know. Pretty good. Just some onions. I've used a little bit of bacon. If you have prosciutto, that would be my first choice, but I don't have any prosciutto, so I'm going to use some bacon. We're going to saute this together. Down a little bit. And as soon as we got this a little bit brown, I'll show you. It's getting a little brown. I'm going to start adding the chicken with the skin down. And it's like cooked for, I say, about a few minutes. We're going to cook it, we'll brown it up a little bit. So we don't have to finish cooking it. So it's going to finish cooking it inside the sauce. And while we have the chicken cooking, I'm going to cut up some mushrooms. I love these portobellos. These are baby bellows. You can use any mushrooms you want, but I love using these because it's such a great taste. That's how I make it in the pizza parlor. Fantastic, my customers love it. So I'm going to show you how to make it the pasta fazool way. I'll get some fresh basil. Chop up some basil as well. And some Italian flat leaf parsley. Make sure you get the flat leaf parsley. Don't get the other stuff. It just doesn't taste right. You have to have the Italian parsley. Flat leaf parsley. We have to brown up the chicken. Once we brown up the chicken, then we add the rest of the ingredients in there. Okay, once you have the chicken browned up like this a little bit, okay, cooking nice and easy, what I do is I add a little bit of marsala wine, just a little bit of marsala, okay, I say about a quarter of a cup, and some white wine also, just a little bit. And wine, put a little bit of I'll put the mushrooms in, mushroom inside, all the mushrooms. Some basil, parsley together. I'm going to put some tomatoes, always San Marzano tomatoes. I love this, San Marzano tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes. A little bit of juice in it. A little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of butter, make it a little creamy, and a couple of pieces of bay leaf. Take these out later. Put a chicken stock. That's it. That's about it. And we're going to let this cook for about, I'd say about 25 minutes to a half hour. As soon as it comes up to a boil, we're going to let this simmer for about a half hour. So, see you guys a bit. Okay, it's about a half hour now. It should be done, so let's take a look. Yeah, it's done. It's beautiful. You know, what I love about these mushrooms, these bella mushrooms, is that when I cut them and cook them up, they hold their shape. I love that. I can't say that much for the button mushrooms. And by the way, the ones that I use marsala wine, Oppici marsala wine. You can use any marsala you want. I like using that, it's pretty good. And the white wine, this time I use a Moscato from Poppy. It's a fantastic wine. I tell you, it's sweet, but you can drink it and you can cook it with this. It's just, what a lovely wine. You know what? This is done, and I'm just going to shut this off. I'll put this on the side. And I'm going to make some nice bruschetta. And see you guys in a little bit. We're going to get some nice little bruschetta on the side of the chicken cacciatore. You're going to love this. See you a little bit. Okay, now that we have the grill nice and steamy, nice and hot, and you see the smoke coming out, we're going to make some crostini. Call them crostini, you can call them bruschetta, you could call them bread, grilled bread, whatever you want to call it. Just make sure you grill them. You're going to make some crostini nice. We want that crispiest, so we could put some garlic on it. Put some fresh garlic on it, and some fresh olive oil on it. Oh man, we're going to have a ball tonight, baby. Ooh. Okay, once we have this crostini cooked up nice, see how nice and crispy it became? What I like to do is, first of all, I'm going to plate this up. And, oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells great, I tell you. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of chicken in here. Now, if you guys want to put potatoes in there, hey, knock yourself out. Put some potatoes, do whatever you want. It's all right. It's okay with me. I sometimes like to make it just simple. And this is just perfect the way I like it. Okay, so I'll put some sauce on this. Love these mushrooms on it. Put this over here. Got a few more pieces of basil. I have enough basil. Okay, a little bit of parsley. On top. And I like to get these bruschetta breads. And just get the garlic and just kind of spread all over it. Spread over the garlic. After you get out, you can put a little bit of olive oil on top. Like this. Okay. And then I'm just going to get this. I'm just going to put them on the sides. Okay. And this is my chicken cacciatore. And now I'm going to give it a try, of course. Hey, by the way, where's your mom? Is she there? Hello? Would you like to come and try my chicken cacciatore?
Okay.
Oh, okay, come on. You want to come now or come a little later? Come on, let's go. How does that look for you, huh?
Wow.
Okay, well.
Nice. Hello. Little piece.
Little piece? Okay, little piece with a knife? Okay. Whatever you say, signorina. I just like grabbing with the spoon off the bone.
It's too hot.
Yes. Cogente. Wow. This is fantastic. It's good or what?
Very good.
Mamma mia. That's a lot. How was it? Good?
Buonissimo.
Wow.
Wow, this is good.
Take a breath, yeah. Take a breath. It is.
It looks good.
You know what? I'm just going to eat this and see you guys next time. This is Pasta Fazool, by the way. I'll see you next time. Thanks for being with us, okay? Ciao. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.